Good afternoon, little foot adventurers. Today we're going to do a video that I have not seen yet done with the locking system for the side cabinet on the Sunray 109. A lot of people have noticed that the locking system on this side cabinet and on the back hatch is very uh, not made very well. So this is what I'm going to do to upgrade it, and I'm going to show you what I did so you could do the same to your camper as well. So let's go ahead and get in on this video. So what I have done is I've gone down to Camping World and pick up a deluxe 1.1 compartment key lock. And I've gone to like Home Depot, Lowe's, and places like that, but they just don't have the one that matches up the same width as the one that comes with the camper. So I ended up going to Camping World and they had the exact width and length that I needed. This one here cost me $13.99. I also did order the ones for the back hatch, and they're all going to be keyed the same. So once those come in, I will show you how to install those as well. But today, we will be installing this in the side hatch. Okay, as you can see in this shot here, we have the compartment open. And I don't know if you could notice there is a plastic retainer right here. Let me get a little closer to you for you. And what that does is that acts as a collar for the lock to slide into. So when you're replacing this, you have to make sure that the lock that you replace it with will fit inside that collar, and that's one of the main reasons why I had to go to a specialty camping store to get the lock, and the ones from your big box stores would not work. In order to install this, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and also a pair of channel locks. So let's go ahead and get started doing this. First thing you want to do is remove the lock tongue, the part that slides down and locks the compartment with your Phillips screwdriver. Okay, that'll slide right off. Then you're going to take your channel locks and then loosen this bolt. Once you've loosened it, you can do the rest of it with your hand. Now this piece here that was taken off, if you notice it's got a special design to it, you're going to reuse this on the new lock that you will be putting in there. Okay, so now let's pull this down. This should slide right out. Okay, and now you'll see the sleeve. Okay, now we have the new lock in our hand. Let's go ahead and get it started in installing it. really important that you don't cross thread this. So be really careful when threading that on. If you cross thread it, then you're not going to work very well and you won't be very happy. So right now I'm just going to hand tighten this, and then we'll go back and tighten it up when we're ready to finish the job. Okay, let's go ahead and put on the rest of the locking system. Now remember I told you had to reuse the one that came off of there because that's very important. So let's go ahead and put it on. And also make sure you use all the hardware that came with the new lock, except for the little tongue that I'm reusing. Tighten that up. Make sure it's nice and snug. You don't want it to come off. It does have a star lock washer on there, which helps out. So now that's all done. Let's give it a shot. See how it does. We put our key in, twist it. As you can see, it's nice and tight. This is also a really good quality lock. So I would highly recommend doing this on your rig. So let me go ahead and get the key to the other side, and I'll lock up that side as well. Now this thing is very, very secure. It's not going anywhere. No one's going to break in and take your stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you try this lock out. Once again, it came from Camping World. It's $13.99. I did special order the ones for the back. So to make sure you get the correct size, you need to take these in, take them out and take them with you to Camping World so they can measure the length of the locks so they can order you the correct ones. The other two should be coming in by this week, and I will be able to put those in as well. It's going to be the same process. The only difference is the ones in the back do not have that plastic collar sleeve that I showed you in this video. They just go directly through the door and screw right in. I know this because I've done it already on the back side. The problem is the ones that I put on the back side were cheap locks that I got from the local hardware store. They weren't good quality locks. They get the job done, but they're not the quality that I would like to have on my rig. So once again, Camping World is where I got the product. It's $13.99 for one lock. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to build this channel to be a good channel for people to go to get reference on stuff to do to their rig, how to fix their rig, upgrade the rig. Also, we also do reviews. I don't know if you caught our last video of us reviewing a propane hose. We also have another review coming up. More stuff is coming in the mail from companies. And we do have another video coming up soon for camping, so keep your eye out for that. But anyway, just want to give you a quick update on how to change out the locking system on your Sunray 109. We appreciate you watching and have a good day.